Hello guys, so today we are on my friend's house and he is looking at me like he's a burbur patapim. Hey yo, hey yo, bro, he's sus. Okay, so he just agreed for me to dude, you know that's not a real sword, right?
Oh, it's not?
Bro thinks he's in the edit.
Ketchup.
Help me! Bro got joked. Bro missed. Bro got just. Dude, that's not a gun. Dude, so weak. Too weak. Got a sword. Oh. Dude, what was that? Oh my god. Swinging sword. Oh, let me try. Bro actually missed. Bro, what are you making that ugly face for? Dude, what is bro doing? What? Oh, bro, bro missed. Bro thinks he's a assassino. Cappuccino assassino.
I hate brain rot.
Why not brain rot? Because you said skibbity god. Bro thinks he's an assassin. Bro trying to sneak attack you. I'm gonna sneak attack you too. Get over here. Whoop. Oop. Got it. What? Wait, let me switch up. Dude.
I'm just a plant.
If you're just a plant, then hello? You're actually a plant? Look. Look at this. Oh, you moving! He moving! A moving plant? You're like a stingray. Yo, what the hell? Dude, what is bro doing? You ugly ass!
I'll give you a back shot.
Oh. Bro thinking he's right here. Oh, no. Oh, I tripped. Wait. I'm a bro trip. I'm a bee. I'm in a closet. In a closet. Wait, can I just zoom in? How much could I zoom in? Did you missed? I said I'm in a closet. Bro, you ain't. Hey yo! Did you guys actually hear that? Oh. Bro, he's in an edit right now. Look at me. Look at me. Dude! Dad! Oh no! Oh no! Fight! Fight ba? Fight na ba? What the? Oh, you actually want to fight? I'll fight. Dude, where am I gonna put the camera? Fight. Actually want to fight? I have a camera right next. Dude, what the? Wow! Dude, he's just clapping! He's just clapping, bro. I want your face down. What? Hey bro, I found a snail. A nail? A snail. A nail. Look what's inside. It's not Manuel. That's Emmanuel. Oh bro, we're family. Bro, I was down. Ah! Hey, don't kill my snail friend. Snail stuck. Dude, the snail stuck. Oh, the bird didn't fall. Bro, where's Ultra Instinct? This guy's throwing rock at me. Bro, Mo has ultra instinct. Let me check up on the footage. Just cheating. Cheating! Guys, did you see that, bro? Cheating. It's on my face, right? What? So I said so again the day. Bro! What? Kuya Wayne broke the snail! Get away, get away.
Dude, Batuta is actually making a grid for the snail. Yo!
Dude,
Stay here! At me!
I said to my girl today.
Throw a dead snail at. Dude, he's doing it again!
And I said, will you come with me in the day? And my girl said, fuck you. And I said, shut the fuck you, girl.
Bro is literally throwing a dead snail.
Throwing my balls into the pit.
I told you! This is family friendly! No, I didn't say anything. I said it. Look. I swear. Throwing the balls. I mean in the pit ball. Like,
Hey, yo! Whoa! Do you know what's the thing with...
dude, you don't know that?
I know it.
Get it. Okay, so you actually told me you wanna. Hey yo! Seasoning. And that's easy. Dude, you're putting seasoning on my hand. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna eat my hand, right? Next time I will taste your hand because you have the.
I said to my girl the other day, I said, will you come with a date with me? and what was it again?
Don't say anything, sus.
Bro, stop putting seasoning.
Dude, I'm making him a break.
Bro, you're just seasoning it.
Rest in peace to snail eater.
Snail eater?
Yeah.
He's not even, he's a snail. Why would he eat his own kind? Bro, you're gonna make him a blanket? Fine.
Okay, okay.
I was at school one day.
Rest in peace. In your honor, I'm gonna put
I said to my
some
girl,
leaves
will
on
you
your
come
dead
with a
body.
date with me? And just like,
Dude, you know
No.
what? You know
And
that I'm hearing what you
said
say,
the
right?
fuck you, girl. It's throwing my balls all
Don't
around
do
the
this
pit
is
ball.
family.
I die with the needle.
What?
Family.
What?
Ah! I said family friendly things. Bro.
Dude, that's poop!
Put your poopy in your mouth.
Hey yo! Hey yo!
Bro, it's just clapping.
Sabi yun, eh? Hey yo.
But you did it.
Hey yo! I'm pissed.
Yo, bro's just clapping. Bro's just clapping.
I mean, I want you to more. Hey yo! Guys, this is the end of the video, so wait for the next episode.
Dude, stop the cap.
Whoa!
This is the whole episode.
Wait till the next episode.
No! This is all of the episodes combined.
Combined! What?
I said combined.
Bye bye, guys. See you next time.
Dude, he's dying. Let me see. Ow! Dude, why is it on flash? It's 14 minutes.
As much as the clip, bro. Bye! Dude, what the?
Okay, guys. So this is the last this is the last. This is all of the episodes combined. Bye, because this guy wants to view the clip. So, bye.
Let's see if there's errors.